Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. In this video I'm going to show you a little tip that you can use while filming using your tripod and out in the field. Alright, it seems like a very small thing, but when you're out there all day and you're getting tired and you're winding up the camera or any other vintage camera you have, you're going to find out it can be very helpful. It's one of these. You can also use a piece of ribbon, and I simply flip up the turn key and insert it right through here, just like that. Now what's happening here is that, again, when you're out in the field, this turn key can be difficult to pick up. Alright? So what you can do is you can grab this, and when you're on your tripod, you can flip it straight up and go ahead and wind it. Turn it to wind it. Then flip it and you're out of the way. Okay? And believe me, when you're out there and you're filming for quite a bit, you're getting tired, your eyes and your hands are getting tired, you don't want to lose sight of your shot. You're still looking through the viewfinder, whatever it may be, this you'll find will be a definite necessity, besides having to search for your turn key, and which can be difficult at times, and flip it up. This helps out a lot. Alright, so it's a small tip. You can also use a piece of ribbon, and it helps out dramatically. Take my word for it. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like and share our videos. Join our Morbid Team Entertainment Barter Buy and Sell group. And put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.